Our factory is equipped with 1-color printing machine, 2-color printing machine, 4-color printing machine, 5-color machine press, and 9-color printing machine. A total of more than 10 Heidelberg printing machines to meet daily production needs. 90% of automatic factory means efficient production, and you can see that the finished product of the printing has distinct layer of color and uniform ink. The delivery time and product quality can be fully promised. Our machine can print smooth paper or very thin paper, such as gold and silver cards or 52 grams Tomo River paper, which very hard to print ink.